Hi everyone, my name is Victoria. Today I would like to show you this cool self-adhesive large refrigerator line. You can use it under sink, cabinets and drawer. I was sent this product for review. Let's open it. Let's jump to open. Just make sure I'm not gonna cut it. Okay. Let me show you how it's look like. It's pretty big actually, as you see. It will help to keep your cabinets always clean because it's washable. And I'm gonna use for my refrigerator today, and I will show you how it look like. First of all, let's clean this shelf. Then let's measure the size. It's easy to cut because it has a lines right here. Now you can place some food here. It's protect your shelf from scratches. So cool. And stay one place, it doesn't move. I place it one here, one on second shelf. Inside this drawer I place it as well, and inside big drawer. Here. So cool. My refrigerator looks clean and organized right now. This is really great product. It's 5 big lines inside. We have an after cut the big one. I have a smaller for shelf with my eggs. This is really cool. I will definitely recommend you can buy on Amazon.